Today is day 14 of my challenge to 3D print something every day for 30 days. For today's print, I'm making a filament poop basket for my 3D printer. Here is the finished print. It's designed to catch all the filament waste that it is produced during colour changes, helping keeping my workspace clean. To make it, I found a design on Maker World and downloaded the files. Next, I loaded the model into my slicer, checked the print settings, and got everything ready to print. Once everything looked good, it was time to start the print. Then I sat back and watched the printer as it built up the basket layer by layer. After a while, the print was finished and ready to come off the build plate. Luckily, everything printed successfully and came out looking great. I fitted the basket onto my printer, and it's now ready to catch all the filament poop instead of letting it fall onto the table or the floor. I'm really happy with how this print turned out. It's a simple upgrade, but it keeps making my 3D printing area much tidier. That's it for day 14 of my 30 days of 3D printing challenge. Let me know what you think of today's print, and don't forget to come back tomorrow to see what I print for day 15. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in day 15.